Now we will do a 10-minute guided breathwork practice. Kindly do this practice on an empty stomach condition. Please do not do this practice if you have any heart or cardiovascular diseases. We will do 3 breath holds during this practice. If at any point you feel that you can't hold your breath, please don't push yourself and return to a normal breathing pattern. We will begin the practice now. Follow the sound of the breathing pattern and inhale and exhale only through your mouth. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. In this breathing technique, you simply have to follow the sound. When the sound is breathing in, you need to breathe in. When the sound is breathing out, you need to breathe out. Simply follow the sound. Try to breathe in and breathe out as deeply as possible and without any breaks. Inhalation and exhalation without any breaks. It may feel uncomfortable to breathe in and breathe out through your mouth for such a long time, but just push through. Just keep on breathing in and breathing out till the time you're not instructed to do otherwise. Keep going, 30 more seconds of this. Breathe in and breathe out. Fully breathe in and breathe out. Take one last deep breath in and fully exhale and hold your breath. Don't breathe in again. Stay in this emptiness of breath. And fully inhale and hold one more time. You don't have to exhale. And exhale. Now you can return to the same breathing pattern. Simply follow the sound of the breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale fully into your lungs and exhale fully. Empty out your lungs. Imagine that with each inhalation, your body is getting nourished with oxygen, with life, and with freshness. And with each exhalation, it is removing all the dirt, all the waste from your body. Keep going, just a few more seconds to go. Take one last deep inhale and fully exhale and hold one more time. This hold will be longer, so if in case you feel uncomfortable in between, you can breathe in again. It's perfectly alright if your body is shaking, vibrating. Keep going, just a few more seconds to go. And fully inhale and hold one more time. You don't have to exhale. Keep holding and exhale. Back to the same cycle again, one last time. Inhale and exhale. Inhale into the belly, into the chest, and fully exhale. Keep making these circles. Feel your body getting replenished with oxygen, with life, and throwing out all the waste, all the garbage. Give this practice your all. Last 30 seconds left. Breathe in and breathe out. Take one last deep breath in and fully exhale. And we will hold one last time. This will be a long hold, so if you feel uncomfortable, you can pause and take deep breaths instead of holding. Become aware of all the sensations in your body. Just stay in this emptiness of breath. This is when you are resetting your mind, your emotions, and your body. The purpose of this Kriya is to reset your entire system. Only 10 seconds to go. And take a deep inhalation and hold one more time. Stay in this fullness of breath. This is when your body is getting re-energized with fresh energy. And exhale. You may return to your normal breathing pattern. Please stay on your mat in Shavasana. Take this chance to see what a beautiful body you have, what an outstanding mind you possess. Now it's in your hands how you choose to use these tools. Would it be to bring misery upon yourself and everyone around you? Or would you use these tools to bring upliftment to not only your own life, but the entire humanity? Stay on the mat until further instructions are given. Very gently roll on to your right side. Come to a seated posture. Rub your hands together. Place them on your eyes. And now open your eyes. Thank you for practicing.